Welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download and install the software you'll need for this course. Most of the exercises we do will use Microsoft's SQL Server. As GMU students, you can legally download Microsoft software for free. You will get access through the GMU software portal, and you can find everything at the following links. Access software here, you can click on it. But one important note that you would need to is Microsoft Server does not run natively on a Mac. So if you are using a Mac, you must run Windows on your machine using VirtualBox, VMware, or another virtualization tools. This is required for a lot of assignments and exams. For many university, I believe that's how they requested people who use Mac to download additional software to run virtual boxes, VMware, and etc. So let's get started. First of all, you go into this website for GMU students, then look for Microsoft products. This is where you'll find SQL Server Developer, Edition, and other Microsoft tools. So here what it will look like due to the confidential. I already downloaded on my laptop. So once you click the link over there, it should pop up a screen that asks you to put your GMU usernet ID and also your password. And so in order to access Microsoft products, you will need to register using the email used for your previous image prescriptions. And usually Patriot Webs would also give you those information when you first sign into Mason. Next, you sign into Microsoft Azure using your GMU username and password. Once you're logged in, go into the software sections and then download. In the software section, download any SQL Server Development Edition. This version is free and includes everything you need for the courses, for most of the courses, right here. You don't need a complicated one if you just first started it. You just need to understand how to download and how to code. That's it. Now let's talk about, also again, you can pick any one of those that fits your laptop. I personally choose the SQL Server 2019 because that's the one that I started learning how this class, so I use this one instead. But if you want to use the latest one, feel free to do so. So how to install an ISO file? Here's how to install it. First, you need to locate the ISO file that you just downloaded it. It should be in your download folders for default, unless you save it specifically somewhere else. And then right-click the ISO file. In the menu that appears, click Mount. This will mount the ISO as a virtual disk on your computer. Next, open this PC. Under Device and Drives, you will see a new disk. It may look like a DVD drive. Double-click that, and you will find installation packages. Run the setup and installation wizard and follow the steps to install SQL Server. Something to keep in mind, again, as we mentioned earlier, that a Mac user, you can't just install Microsoft SQL directly on Mac OS. To complete your assignment for most of your university, you need to install additional app called VirtualBox or similar tool, or create a Windows virtual machine. Install SQL Server inside that Windows environment. And then again, if you prefer, you can use MySQL or PostgreSQL for most of it works. It's just similar, different environment. Yeah, that would be it. Thank you.